you think I can make it from here if it was towards the other way?
Yeah. Here, you entertain us.
Ah! I'm doing Michael Jackson. Ow! Ow! Here we go, kids.
Drum roll, please.
This is me. I'm here again. And I'm going to be doing some more stuff. So this is a test number 2. Here we go. Does anybody have a thing of fries? I'm going to take a dip. Oh! He will be doing attempt number 3. Here he is. He loses again. Is there attempt number 10? If you don't get into the woods, you keep on going.
This is gonna be awesome.
You're making me look ugly here.
No, I'm not. You're not ugly. You're pretty.
You're
You're a pretty boy. Woo!
I'm ugly still. I'm so sexy. Make sure you guys don't do this at home. Kids, please don't do this at home. It hurts. Hurts. That's ridiculous, y'all. Why are you busting your ball? And go! Attempt number 3. Here it is. You have to do attempt number 4.
Oh my gosh!
A number 4 attempt. This is gonna be the epic-ish video ever.
By the way, this is going to YouTube.
Yeah, pretty much. What? Here he is. Attempt number 4.
As you can see, the bike is far in the woods. So he'll probably get it. He'll probably fly into the bush. Hopefully! I have my hopes way up. Way up.
Attempt number 4.
I think.
Here he is, folks. He's not scared of anything. He can clearly eat a shark if he wanted to. He's dumb enough to do that, too. Really. He jumps off his bed trying to do flips. By the way, I'm his brother, Tristan Roberts. Go to attempt number 5.
Oh my gosh! We're gonna be up here for like 45 minutes.
Here he is.
Hope the video isn't that long.
Number 5.
Jonathan, do you like your job?
No. Kristen will be going. Oh, no, I won't. I'm not stupid enough to jump off your bed. By the way, remember, I am his brother, Christian Roberts. Here he is, attempt number 6.
I'm his half brother.
5.